If you watch the Interstellar movie, you may have noticed Dr. Mann failed to dock the spaceship and the entire spaceship was blown away. But if you observe that scene, there is no soundtrack for the blast. Every celestial body, like planets and stars, has their own sound. We all know that. Sound needs a medium to travel, and the space contains more vacuum. But NASA releases several sounds of the celestial bodies. Here's the thing. Sound may not travel in space, but radio waves do. These radio waves are later converted into sound waves. Let's listen to some of the crazy sounds of our celestial bodies. Stay tuned for more science videos.